Namaste. In this video, we are going to learn how to freeze a frame in DaVinci. Let's see. Suppose, as you can see, that I have this animation. Let's say that I want to freeze it from here. So what I can do it, select this and click on this blade icon, cut it out. Now, by pressing back key on my keyboard and make sure that you select this video first. If I zoom in, notice I am one frame backward. Select this video. Go to the stable speed change. Click on this freeze icon. Notice there's something here. Now, if I go here, I can drag it out. So now this is a freeze thing. In that way, you can freeze any frame as per your requirement, and you can increase or decrease the length as per your requirement. As you can see that I can freeze this frame as per quite long. Okay, so that's for all. So I hope you guys learned something from this video. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.